Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I'm going to explain one of the important thing in share market. So if you are looking for a career in share market as a full time or part time, so what are the basic things you should know? So I'm going to explain all those things. Due to COVID-19, most of the people are working from home, or most of the people are losing job. So if you are having a lot of free time, you can start your business in share market as a part time or a full time. So what are the basic things you should know before entering into a market? So all those things I'm going to share through this video. So if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you'll be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. Okay, let us come to the topic. So nowadays we know we can build up our career in share market as a full time or part time. So this is one of the best platform where we can earn a lot of money, and only thing is that we should have some basic rules. Then only we can make money, because nowadays we might have heard most of the people will be telling share market is where we can't make money, and that is the reason people are a little bit scared. And why we can't make money and why people are losing money. So all those things I'm going to explain. So first thing, when you are entering into a market, you should have some of the ideas, how I should start my business. So when you are working in an office, you are working almost 9 to 10 hours, and you know how much you are earning from from your job, or if you are doing in normal work, and how much time you are working for that, and you know how much return you are going to get. So all those things you have to calculate, because you know one of the best investors Warren Buffett and Rakesh Junjunwala. So all these people are become very rich. Why they become rich? Because of the share market. So through the investment, they made a good profit. And we have to also plan investment. We are not going to make rich in 1 day or 2 days. So we have to plan daily basis. We have to plan and we have to work out. So based on that only you can you can become rich. You cannot become rich in 1 day. Some people, what they do, they invest 10,000 rupees and they will tell you I need 10,000 in a day. So that and all not possible. So always you have to think about reality before coming into a market. So I'm going to explain all those things through this video. So kindly watch completely, then only you'll be getting a better idea. If you are a beginner or if you are an experienced guy, you should learn what are the things you should keep in mind before starting into a market. Okay, the first thing is when you are going to start a business in share market, the first thing is that you need to open an account. So what are the documents are required? You need Aadhaar card, PAN card, a 6-month bank statement and a check leaf. So these are the things you required to start a business in share market. So you have to upload all the documents, and if you are interested to open an account with Angel Broking application, so the link I have mentioned here, the same link I have mentioned in the description as well. So you can use this link and you can open an account and you can start a business in share market. So once you click on this link, you will be getting this page where you have to enter your name, city and other things. So you have to click on continue, then you have to enter your personal details, your bank account details. So all those things you have to enter there. So you have to remember when you are entering all these details, it is all safe, how you are doing bank account. So no one can withdraw your money. And when you are entering all your details, and this is same bank account, no one can withdraw your money or deposit money. So everything will be safe. So once you open the account, you can transfer your money see, this is not required to huge amount to start a business. So maximum 5,000 to 10,000 is enough. If you are looking for daily basis 200 to 500 rupees, so this is more than enough. So we are not looking for a huge profit. So daily basis we are looking for 5 to 10% return. So if you are getting if you are investing 10,000 rupees and if you are getting 500 rupees in a day, that is a good amount of profit. So like that only we have to work out. So always you have to calculate our risk. Based on that, we have to work out in share market. Then only it will come success. So that is the reason people are become failure in share market. They will take 10,000 rupees, and before opening the account, first thing they will ask what is the leverage. So the leverage company can give you 100% also. So for example, if you are investing 10,000 rupees, the company can give you leverage up to 100%. So the 100 times means it will be almost 10 lakh rupees you can trade at a time. And when there is a loss, you have to imagine that the company will not be getting a single rupees loss. And when there is a 80% loss of your deposit, the company will square off the entire amount. So that is the reason I am telling when you are entering into a market, use maximum 5 to 10% of leverage. And if you have 10,000 rupees in stock market, you can buy 100 shares at a time and keep 10 point stop loss also. Maximum loss will be 1,000 rupees. So like that you have to manage your risk. So yeah, like not like most of the people, they think like, okay, if I am getting leverage 10 lakh, I can make 10 lakhs in a time. So that is not possible. Like if you can make one day and next day you can lose even entire money also. So that you have to keep in mind whenever you are entering into a market. The major thing is like when you are entering into a market, you should have a proper plan. So what I am explaining, like how you should have plan your proper plan. So when you are entering into a market, you should know like, okay, how much I am going to deposit. If you are going to deposit 10,000 rupees, you have to calculate your profit also. Like daily basis, if you are aiming for 200 to 500, should buy like based on that. See, for example, if you are buying for 500 rupees is enough for you. So 500 rupees and all easily you can make. And you can buy like 50 to 100 shares with 5 to 10 points stop loss. And if there is a loss also, maximum 500 to 1000 rupees. So like that, if you are working out, okay, like you have to think also, like if I am going to deposit 10,000 in a bank, you are not going to get 500 rupees or 10,000 rupees in a day. Anywhere you won't get. And that is what you have to keep in mind. So here we are going to work only for 5 to 10%, and this is how we have to work out. So once you have to plan your target and you have to plan your stop loss, based on that you have to buy 50 to 100 shares, and you can make daily basis, you can make 500. So within 1 month you have to imagine. So when you are working in an organization, you are working entire 9 hours in an office and you are maybe getting 30 to 40,000. The same amount you can work like as a part time, you can make here also. Like if you are working for 1 to 2 hours in share market, and you can buy 1 or 2 shares. And so this is like one of the basic rule of share market. Like proper planning should be there, like based on your investment, and you should identify, okay, how much I should earn per day. So set all the exam. Don't keep like a huge target, like I am investing 10,000, I should get around 5,000 in a day. So don't keep like that target. So then only you will become failure. Like that is the reason most of the people become failure. They invest 10,000 rupees and they get into a bank nifty, because bank nifty the margin is very less, because you can buy even 10 rupees shares also. With 10,000 rupees you can buy multiple lots. So if there is a loss, the entire amount will be washed out. So that you have to plan. So whenever you are entering into anywhere, like if this is like your job, like you should understand, like when you are working in any organization, like you are working for 9 hours and you may be getting per day maybe 1,000 or 1,500 rupees. That is, you have to give me, like you are spending almost 9 hours there and you are getting 1,000 or 1,500 rupees in a day, and monthly you are getting around 25,000 to 30,000. So the same amount we are going to make in share market as well, with 1 hour or 2 hours extra we are working. So that is the reason I am telling, like whenever you are entering, you have to keep all those things in mind. The second thing is like when you have to control your emotion. Like for example, I am getting a loss in one trade. So for people, what they get emotional and they buy multiple shares. They will increase the lot size. Instead of 100, they will put 200 and to recover that loss. So that those kind of mistakes you should avoid in share market. So whenever you are entering into a market, you should control your emotions. Then only you can become success. So these are the major factors, like you have to plan and work out. And the third thing is like the over trading. Like once you are getting loss, you will be doing like multiple lots, and you will be losing again. So the entire capital will be washed out. So always you have to keep. If there is if today is a loss, just leave it off. Why to worry? Like 500 rupees you can recover even the next day also. So because we cannot become like 100% profit, no one can make in market. Even you know, like Warren Buffett or Jagesh Swinjimbal, they even have a loss also. So there are like ups and down will be there in the market. So we have to respect the market, like ups and down you have to respect. Then based on that you have to work out. So these are the like major concept of market. Like when you are entering into a market, so you have to keep all these things in mind. So these are the like basic 3 rules of share market. Like you have to keep all these 3 rules in mind. And whenever you are entering into a market, like there will be like a lot of advisories also. Like they will be telling, okay, we will be helping you out if you give 2,000 or 5,000 rupees. So don't believe into any advisories. I'm telling you like in front, okay. So if there is an advisories, will be only to fool you, because they will take your money and they will work out without stop loss, and they will not give you proper guidance, all those things. So don't get into don't go behind any advisory. So first thing is you have to learn by yourself, because you have to spend daily 2 hours, read the newspapers, read the articles, and understand like how the market is. And you can, if you want to learn more about market, you can do one thing. You can visit my YouTube channel also. Here you can see YouTube channel Libin EJ. For the link I have given in the description. So you can see here in the description I have given a lot of strategies, how the market is working out, like Nifty resistance and support, like long term suggestions also I will be providing, like daily basis I will be updating. Here you can see HDFC Bank, and you can see like lot of videos like how to use VWAP and RSI. So VWAP and RSI and all very important technologies like where we can use for intraday profit. So all lot of things I am uploading in my YouTube channel also. So you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about market. So first thing you have to learn all those things, like how you should get loss and what is the profit and how I have to buy and what. And some people they think only we have to buy and make profit. If the market is falling down, how we can make profit? So if the market is falling down also we can make a profit. We can sell the shares first, and once the price is going down you can buy the shares. So all those things you can do. So that is the advantage of share market. Like when you are entering into a market, people think, okay, if market is crashing down, so what I will do? So when the market is crashing down, you can make a good profit also. Like we have to buy, you have to sell and buy, or if the market is going up, you can buy and sell. So a lot of options are there. So if you are starting your career in share market, you should know like how I should buy. If the market is going, how I can make profit. If the market is going down, how I can make profit. So all those things you should know. So if you are keeping in mind all those things, then only you have to read lot of articles, and you have to see like what are the advantage of market. So you can make lot of money. So you know, like most of the people, the successful people are like Warren Buffett or Rakesh Junjunwala. Even like lot of people are there, Bill Gates. All those people are become rich only because of share market, only because of investment. And in the same way, like if you want to know more about market, because this is a group I have created to help the beginners. So if anyone interested to join this group, you can join to this group. So you can see like a lot of like daily basis I'll be giving you suggestions. Like those who are opening account, once the account is opened, you can contact me and I will be helping you out like to develop your portfolio. Like what are the shares you have to buy, long term where you have to invest, and what are the IPOs coming. All those information I'll be sharing, and you can see like daily basis I'll be giving you suggestions, and what are the profit you can see here. So here you can see like what are the people based on my suggestions, like what are the people are making profit, and here lot of things I will be sharing. Here you can see like what are the suggestions I have given. So daily basis like where I have to, I'll inform you like where to invest. Once you join to this group, you can start trading and you can develop your own strategies. So all those things I will be helping you out. So this is my WhatsApp group. This is absolutely free. You can join here. So like apart from that, if you have any queries or anything, you can just contact me on my WhatsApp number. So I'll be available at any time. So you can message me so that I'll be responding based on your queries. So hope this topic is very clear. And if you are looking for a part-time or a full-time job in share market, you should read all those things carefully before investing. So like lot of people will be there to suggest you. So always you have to think once before you are investing. So that is how because market is always risk, because a lot of people will be telling market is risk, and why it is risk. That is what we have to identify. So market actually, according to me, because market is not that much risk. Only if the risk is there when you are not planning properly. So always you have to plan like based on the capital, like what I told, like based on the capital you have to work out and how much capital you have. So all those things you have to set out, and based on that you have to work out. Then you can become 100%. I'm telling you, like you can become success. So there is no problem of like becoming unsuccessful. So you can become, definitely you can become success. Only thing is that you have to plan properly based on your capital. Don't go over trading and avoid emotions. So all those things you have to keep inside. And always think like you are working in as a job. This is not like you are simply you are coming here and wasting your money. So same way like how you are doing in job in the organization, same way you are going to work here. And you know how much salary you are getting in an organization for working 9 hours. Almost you are working for 20 to 25 days in an organization, and finally only you are getting the salary. The same way things like share market also same, like you are working in an organization and you are depositing like 5,000 to 10,000 in the in this share market, and you are going to earn from there. So don't lose the money. And if you need any clarification, you can directly contact me, like for any investment plan, anything you can directly contact me. So I'll be helping you out. So hope this topic is very clear. And if you are liked this video, kindly like my video. Also subscribe my channel. Also all those who friends are interested in trading, kindly share this video to your friends. So subscribe, like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching.